Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Hello everyone. As we all know, Honor's digital series has always positioned itself as a stylish, mid-range flagship that blends advanced tech with eye-catching design. The previous Honor 400 series performed exceptionally well, reaching global shipments of over 6 million units. Now, the Honor 500 series has officially arrived. Building on the strong foundation of its predecessor, this new lineup brings well-rounded upgrades in the areas users care about most, including design, in-hand feel, camera performance, processing power, and battery life. So what is the real-world experience like with the Honor 500 Pro? Let's find out. The Honor 500 Pro adopts an integrated design approach, paired with a nano microcrystalline glass back panel. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. As you tilt the phone, the surface reveals a shifting gradient effect that not only looks premium, but also helps resist fingerprint marks, making the device stand out even more. On the back, the quad camera setup is laid out horizontally, with smooth transitions between the camera module and the rear panel. This design reduces the visual bulk of the camera bump and makes the entire back feel more unified. The Honor logo sits in the lower center of the back, using a flattened finish and a color that closely matches the panel itself. This keeps the branding recognizable without drawing too much attention. In terms of durability, the phone supports IP68, IP69, and IP69K water and dust resistance, significantly lowering the risk of damage from everyday accidents. On the front, the flat display combined with ultra-narrow bezels delivers an impressively high screen-to-body ratio, creating a highly immersive viewing experience. The display also incorporates 9 eye care technologies, including 3840 Hz zero-risk dimming, dynamic defocus, personalized external display options, and natural color 3.0. With such a comprehensive eye protection setup, the Honor 500 Pro can confidently be considered one of the best in its class for eye comfort. Naturally, this screen feels deeply immersive, and the edge optimization is done extremely well. It minimizes accidental touches while making side swipe gestures feel smoother and more responsive. The phone also features an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor that unlocks quickly and reliably, even with wet hands, which is definitely worthy of praise. Now that we've covered the design of the Honor 500 Pro, let's move on to its camera performance. The Honor 500 Pro comes equipped with the most powerful 200 megapixel main camera in its segment, along with a newly developed OIS stabilization system that upgrades the AI adaptive anti-shake algorithm. The stabilization performance of the main camera reaches the top Sepia 5.0 standard in its class, which means you can capture clear, sharp photos even in low-light environments without worrying about blur. In real-world use, the biggest advantage of this 200 megapixel sensor is its impressive level of detail. Image resolution is strong, and the color tuning leans toward a natural, true-to-life look rather than overly saturated tones, making photos comfortable and pleasing to view. On top of that, the class-leading live photo experience makes it easier to capture more realistic and expressive selfies. The ultralight live photos are smooth, support high dynamic range HDR effects, and the beauty algorithms have been fully optimized. The 4K ultralight live photo stitching feature also provides plenty of creative editing options. After spending time with these features, it's clear that the Honor 500 Pro's imaging capabilities have taken a noticeable step forward. If photography matters to you, this phone is more than capable of meeting your needs. Next, let's talk about performance. The Honor 500 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform and paired with Honor's self-developed Phantom 3.0 technology. It handles demanding games like King of Glory, PUBG Mobile, and Delta Force with ease, delivering top-level performance and consistently smooth gameplay. Playing these titles feels completely effortless. With the help of GPU TurboX image enhancement, the phone can even achieve PC-level image upscaling, significantly boosting visual quality in mobile games. When it comes to battery life, the Honor 500 Pro is equipped with a massive 8,000 mAh hydrogen-helium battery. Thanks to its innovative kite-based technology, this is the strongest battery solution ever seen in the Honor Comfort series. Even with heavy daily use, use, it can comfortably last up to 2 days. Charging is equally impressive with support for 80 watts wired fast charging and 27 watt wireless fast charging. The combination of a larger battery and faster charging delivers outstanding endurance. In my view, the Honor 500 Pro is a very well-balanced flagship smartphone. It uses premium materials, shows excellent build quality, and feels great in the hand while looking refined and stylish. The camera system, which is a key focus for many users, has been carefully optimized to offer more creative freedom and strong overall performance. At the same time, the phone delivers better processing power and longer battery life, giving it a very high overall product value. While there may be a few minor drawbacks, the base variant of the Honor 500 Pro starts at 3,599 yuan in China, which is roughly 386 pounds in the UK and about $507 in the US. At this price point, it stands out as one of the best choices available. So, what do you think about the Honor 500 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk about it together. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you'd like, I can make this sound more energetic, more premium, or tighten it up for a shorter video version. Just tell me what style you want.